we going to hear
Any
about
more
later
details
today
about
about the
that?
filings? Is it coming from the campaign or from your office? Like, where is it going to come from? Just any information. Where's it?
Expecting a busy day today.
When is it not busy? You guys keep me busy always. You know the one thing about this job I love? Is the human interaction. You can't replicate that.
I don't touch any of my FEC stuff, right? So don't be disingenuous and report that I did, because you know that every campaign hires fiduciaries. So I'm not aware of that answer, and we'll have an answer for the press regarding the amendment from yesterday.
Do you feel like McCarthy has her bag after today's conference meeting?
What's your assessment of that? Apparently you were in the room, I wasn't there. Oh, but you guys got the information, so that should be coming on you guys to make that assessment.
Santos, you're rich. Cash gift, you can't go leave it up real.
I'm not a big movie guy. Sorry, guys. Well, careful.
Who would you like to see portray you one day?
Didn't you say Leonardo DiCaprio? That'd be cool.
It was funny because
For the Chick-fil-A sandwiches?
Sir, where did the
I
money,
did.
Your
where
personal
did the money
funds?
come from
Personal
your campaign? Did you give your money? Did you give your own money?
Got me here with.
Wow, you guys are hungry. Good.
You won't pose for a photo either.
Any remarks? Why?
I have no remarks for you guys right now, as I've said earlier, but when there are remarks to be made regarding anything you guys want, we will make those remarks. I just hope you guys patiently wait, and in the interim, we will be in touch.